Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss about the identification of acidic and basic solution. How will we identify the acidic and basic solution uh, with the help of pH scale? So we can say here another heading pH scale. Okay dear student. Now first of all, we should know the pH scale. What is pH scale? Clear, dear student? pH scale. Okay. You know, the concentration of acid depends upon the H plus ion present in 1 mole per liter of the solution, while the basic nature of a solution depends upon the hydroxide ion of 1 mole of solution. Okay, and which are measured in a scale known as pH scale. That means on pH scale we can measure the concentration of H plus ion and concentration of OH minus ion present in acidic and basic medium respectively. Okay dear student. So first of all, the another example of pH scale is that pH is the minus logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Suppose the acidic and basic strength of solution is, now the definition is the acidic and basic strength of acidic and basic strength of a solution is measured or expressed on a scale known as pH scale. pH scale. Clear, dear student? What is pH scale? The acidic and basic strength of a solution is expressed on a scale known as pH scale. Very simple definition. But the acidic and basic nature of acid and base depend upon the concentration of H plus ion and OH minus ion present in the solution respectively. Okay dear student, which are measured on a scale known as pH scale. Okay dear student, so what is the pH? Now a question arises, what is the pH? pH of a solution is numerical value. pH is pH of a solution is numerical value. pH of a solution is numerical value of the negative power of the negative power to which 10 must be power to 10 must be raised in order to express hydrogen ion concentration. Raised in order to express hydrogen ion concentration. Okay dear student, in per mole per liter, in mole per liter. Okay dear student, what is the definition of pH? pH of a solution is numerical value. Focus in this word, numerical value of the negative power to 10 must be raised in order to express hydrogen ion concentration. in mole per liter. Okay, dear student. So according to definition, H plus ion concentration, and the concentration of H plus ion is equal to 10 the power minus pH. So power pH. Clear, dear student? In another word, pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. The another definition of pH is the minus logarithm of H plus ion concentration. The another definition is pH is the minus logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Okay, dear student, pH is equal to minus log H plus ion according to definition, and the another definition arises from this. pH is the minus logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Okay, here H plus the square bracket of H plus ion expressed in mole per liter. Concentration of is equal to concentration of H plus ion mole per liter. Okay, that means this indicate by square bracket indicate the concentration of H plus ion. Okay, dear student. Now when H plus ion, the concentration of when H plus ion concentration is 10 the power minus 10, when H plus ion concentration is 10 the power 10 the power minus 10, then pH is equal to minus log 10 the power minus 10, and after solving it we find plus 10 into the value of log 10 is equal to 1 is equal to 10. Clear? This is the value of pH value. Clear? Now if the concentration is 10 the power minus 10, then the pH is equal to pH will be pH is equal to, we know that 10 the power log minus log 10 the power minus 10. If we know that log mn is equal to n log m, so the 10 will come in front of log and multiply with 10 log 10, and the value of log 10 to the power 1 is equal to 1. So 10 into 1 is equal to 10. The pH of this concentration ion of solution is 10. Okay, dear student. Next one is for pure water. For pure water, pH is equal to 7. pH is equal to 7 because the H plus ion concentration in water, the H plus ion concentration in water to be found that 10 the power minus 7. Okay, 10 the power minus 7 molar. That means mole per liter. So we can say it molar, 10 the power minus 7 molar. Okay, after solving pH is equal to, we know that minus log 10 the power minus 7. So after solving minus 7 plus 7 into 10 the log 10, and the value of log 10 is equal to, we know, in another word we can say a log 10, and the value of 7 into 1 is equal to 7. So the pH value of water is 7. Clear, dear student? For pure water, pH is equal to 7 because H plus ion concentration in water is found to be 10 to the power minus 7 molar, that means mole per liter. After solving we will get pH is equal to 7. That means if pH is equal to 7, that means water is neutral. Okay, dear student? So let us see a pH scale. How does the acidity and basicity increase? How does the pH value increase and decrease? Suppose let us see the value of pH value. pH is equal to here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, the number on pH scale 1 to 14. Okay, dear student? So if the pH is 7, the solution will be neutral. Okay, if pH increases, that means the basic character increases, that means basic nature increases. That means when pH goes to 8 to 14, the basic nature of the solution increases. Okay, when pH goes 6 to 0, that means it decreases, that means acidic character increases. Acidic nature increases. Okay, that means when pH value will decrease, acidic nature will be decrease. Okay, will be increase. When pH value increase, the basic nature will be increase. Okay, dear student, that means if pH is equal to 7, if pH is equal to 7, solution will be neutral. Okay, dear student, if pH greater than 7, solution will be basic in nature. Okay, dear student, if pH lesser than 7, pH greater than 7, solution will be basic in nature. If pH lesser than 7, solution will be acidic. Solution will be acidic in nature. Okay, dear student, very important term, kept in mind. Okay, dear student, next topic we are going to discuss about the ionic product. Next topic we are going to discuss about ionic product. What is ionic product? You should know. Ionic product. Ionic product. Okay, dear student, as water is electrically neutral, we know that water is electrically neutral because in water there are the concentration of hydrogen ion and the concentration of hydroxide ion are same. Okay, in water the concentration of H positive ion is equal to the hydroxide of the concentration of hydroxide ion is equal to same. Okay, that means the concentration of H plus ion and concentration of hydroxide ion are same in water. So the water is electrically neutral, and it is found that the concentration of H plus ion is equal to 10 the power minus 7 molar. Okay, we have discussed before. Okay, dear student. So that means the H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 the power minus 7. But the product of H plus ion concentration, into the product of OH, the product of H plus ion and OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 the power minus 7 into 10 the power minus 7 is equal to 10 the power minus 40. So this is the ionic product of water. This is the ionic product of water. The ionic product of water is equal to 10 the power minus 14. Okay, dear student. So H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration is known as the ionic product of water. We can say the ionic product of water. Okay, dear student. So kept in mind always the H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 the power minus 40. Now a formula arises here. H plus ion concentration is equal to into OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 the power minus 14, or in single word you can write here minus 14. Clear, dear student? Okay. Ten the power minus 14 is good, I think. Minus 14. Clear? Okay, we have finished the ionic product of water. And what is ionic product? We have seen here. And next video we will discuss about the importance of pH. Okay, thank you all the rest.